24/7 Storm Track weather with Senior Chief Meteorologist Bob Lindmeier.
You may recall through the month of July, the year had been very wet. Then August was below normal and September way below normal. We've only recorded 2/100ths of an inch of rainfall, and that was early in the month. We've had this long stretch of dry weather with no recorded precipitation. And overall, just 2/100ths of an inch, that's 1.6 inches below normal. We've been in a warm stretch too. This is the 5th consecutive day we've had a high temperature in the 80s. We could very well add 6, maybe 7 more days, consecutive days with highs in the 80s. This warmth will continue. What are we tracking? Another August-like week ahead, above normal temperatures and dry conditions too. Almanac, the high was 87. That's 13 degrees above average, so it was way above average for this time of year. Forecast was close, 2 degrees off, so another $27 went in the pot. Starting to grow a bit, it's up to $243. Now off to the west and northwest, there have been clouds and a few spotty light rain showers, primarily in northwest Wisconsin. That cloud cover kept readings in the northwest part of the state a bit cooler in the 70s. Most of central and eastern Wisconsin made it into the 80s. Janesville managed to hit that 90-degree mark. And across the upper Midwest, more of the same. A lot of warmth out there with highs in the 80s to lower 90s. And climate change is playing an impact. It's about twice as likely that this warmth has occurred because of the influence of climate change. A look at the Midwest region shows that we don't have too much happening. There are some dying showers and storms over North and South Dakota, and not much is going to be happening for some time to come. There's a high pressure system way off to the east, and that's not going to move hardly at all. As I put this into motion, there's that high, and it's going to be our main weather influence, keeping conditions dry. There's going to be some scattered showers and storms, pretty scattered across the northern plains and upper Mississippi Valley, but that's where it's going to stay for some time to come. Closer look at southern Wisconsin overnight under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Will drop into the low to mid 60s, so a nice mild night, but temperatures just like today are going to rocket. And in the afternoon, we're going to be into the mid to upper 80s under partly sunny skies. We start off closer to the 60-degree mark on Monday, but temperatures climb a lot, well into the 80s, very close to the same kind of warmth we'll experience tomorrow. Overall high temperature trend shows that the average high is 74. We're going to stay at least 10 degrees above that through most of the upcoming week. So overnight, mostly cloudy skies and mild, low down to 64, southeast winds at 5. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, a very warm day, high 87, south winds at 5 to 10. After that, for your Monday, mostly sunny 85. Tuesday, sunshine 85. At least it will be comfortable at night. Overnight lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, but daytime highs are going to be way above average on a daily basis right through Friday at least. No precipitation in the outlook through Friday. That's going to change perhaps on Saturday a bit when we could see a few rain showers, but even then that probability is really low. The extended outlook for week 2, more of the same. Temperatures are forecast to stay on average warmer than normal.